How to set up full screen viewing on Instagram. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can show Instagram posts on the home screen as a full screen. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so if you've ever used TikTok, you would have seen that when you're browsing through the home screen on TikTok, their videos are full screen. And that's been a feature that has been lacking from Instagram up until now. So recently, Mark Zuckerberg has announced that Instagram's main feed is going full screen. Instagram is testing a full screen feed in a redesign that resembles rival app TikTok. So the CEO of Instagram announced that Instagram will soon begin testing a full screen redesign of its main feed. And here are some screenshots showing a before and after comparison of the new design. So this one is before, then after it will look like this. And this makes Instagram look more like a TikTok clone, with the content taking up the entire length of the screen. A small area at the bottom is reserved for navigation, while every other element is overlaid to the content. So this isn't quite available just yet, but I'll keep you up to date as soon as it becomes available. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.